What type of plane is this? This is plane?
I have cold and catarrh.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus.
And I'm going to see a doctor. He said nothing is doing me.
You think say they wise?
So he said the only thing that is doing me is depression, because I do think a lot.
You don't know why it's going on.
So and the kind of medicine that will be needed these days. This kind of medicine, it's not as if it really costs you. It doesn't cost. It's just that the person that wants to buy it, you must have a connection and money, a lot of money. So I mean, I do not have money, talk less of connection.
You be mumu.
So if there is anyone that have connection and money, please help me.
Pastor, but this is what you want to use your life for.
Please.
I'm gonna do many,
Or maybe
16 years.
I should call my account number. Maybe if I see credit alert, I might even be okay.
Here is God.
Should I call it?